Hey friends, who's hungry? These crispy and golden fried salmon croquettes are made with just 3 ingredients for a simple yet delicious bite. Drain the juice from one 14-ounce can of salmon into a mixing bowl. Remove and discard any large pieces of skin and bone, then set the salmon aside and reserve the juice. Crush about 20 saltine crackers over the reserved juice, then stir until the crackers have absorbed the liquid. Add 1 large egg and stir to combine. Then add the salmon meat and season the mixture with salt and pepper to your preference. Form the salmon mixture into patties that are roughly 2 inches wide and ½ inch thick. Fill a large skillet halfway with oil. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees on a thermometer. Working in batches, add the salmon croquettes to the hot oil. Fry for 5 to 7 minutes, flip the patties, and fry for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until the patties are golden brown. The internal temperature of the patties should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Drain the fried salmon croquettes on a layer of paper towels while you fry the rest. Season the tops of the patties with additional salt and pepper if desired. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.